Introduction. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about one of the hottest topics in the finance world right now, how to make money using crypto. Cryptocurrencies have taken the world by storm, and they have become a popular investment option for many people. In this video, we will discuss some of the ways you can make money using crypto, even if you are a beginner. Section 1. Investing in cryptocurrency. The first way to make money using crypto is by investing in cryptocurrencies. This involves buying a cryptocurrency at a low price and selling it at a higher price to make a profit. To get started with investing in cryptocurrencies, you will need to open an account with a cryptocurrency exchange such as Binance or Coinbase. Once you have an account, you can buy your preferred cryptocurrency using fiat currency or another cryptocurrency. Remember, investing in cryptocurrencies can be risky, so it is important to do your research and invest only what you can afford to lose. Section 2. Trading cryptocurrencies. The second way to make money using crypto is by trading cryptocurrencies. This involves buying and selling cryptocurrencies frequently to take advantage of price fluctuations. To get started with trading cryptocurrencies, you will need to have a good understanding of the market and the factors that affect the price of cryptocurrencies. You will also need to use a cryptocurrency exchange that allows you to trade cryptocurrencies. Trading can be profitable, but it can also be risky, so it is important to have a solid trading strategy in place. Section 3. Staking and mining. The third way to make money using crypto is by staking and mining. Staking involves holding a certain amount of a cryptocurrency in a wallet to support the network and earn rewards. Mining involves using a computer to solve complex mathematical problems to validate transactions and earn rewards. Both of these methods require a significant initial investment in hardware and electricity, but they can be profitable in the long run. Section 4. Accepting cryptocurrencies as payment. The fourth way to make money using crypto is by accepting cryptocurrencies as payment for goods or services. If you're a business owner, accepting cryptocurrencies as payment can be a great way to attract new customers and expand your customer base. To accept cryptocurrencies as payment, you will need to set up a cryptocurrency wallet and integrate it into your payment system. Conclusion. So, there you have it. 4 ways to make money using crypto. While investing and trading can be risky, staking and mining require a significant initial investment, and accepting cryptocurrencies as payment may not be feasible for everyone. There is no denying that cryptocurrencies have opened up new avenues for wealth creation. If you are interested in making money using crypto, be sure to do your research. Invest only what you can afford to lose and have a solid strategy in place. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.